Game changer right there. Game changer. The Sunday Riley Luna Retinol Sleeping Anti-Aging Night Face Oil. I use this product in addition to my prescription retinoid that I have, my tretinoin that I use. Y'all, it's beautiful. It's a blue color. Might be a little scary for some because it is kind of blue, but it kind of goes away. It boosts plumpness while improving the appearance of wrinkles, redness, pores, visibly younger looking skin. I have seen my skin change with the addition of this Luna Sleeping Night Oil. I'm just plumper in the morning. I'm just a little less dehydrated. It's for people that are aging just like me, that are needing a little extra boost overnight while we're sleeping. This is fantastic. It's a gentle retinoid oil, okay? Perfect for new retinol users or anybody with sensitive skin. So if you've got sensitive skin, you will not want to put your tretinoin and this. You just only use this. But I have loved it. It's luminous. It leaves your skin beautifully glowing in the morning. It has been great for me. Put it in your cart today.